Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see old stories on Facebook. So if you want to see your old stories on Facebook, what you have to do is first of all open up your Facebook application, and after opening your Facebook application, tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right, and now you have to tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three dotted icons which is on the right side of your screen. And after tapping on the three dotted icons, now you have to tap on activity log, and after tapping on activity log you can find storage activity. You just have to tap on the storage activity option. So now you have to tap on archive option which is on the top left corner, and after tapping on that option you can access your old stories on Facebook. So this is how you can see old stories on Facebook. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.